Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we will show you how to fix a Mercedes transmission that doesn't shift correctly. Most of the times it's just electrical. Okay, we'll show you, we have that ML320 right here guys. So we'll demonstrate on this one and show you what the problem with this transmission is. Usually we fix many ML320s, 430s, the W163. They have a common problem. And we'll show you now, okay? We'll have videos how to remove valve body, how to remove the conductor plate, how to remove solenoids. So check it out, it's on our channel guys. Please subscribe, be part of it. Let's grow that channel together guys. Let's make it big together. So that's a valve body out of a Mercedes that doesn't shift. What the problem with this one is, most of the times guys, it's just the conductor plate. Conductor plate is the one right here that all the wires go to the different solenoids. So in order to function right, everything should be perfect, but this is a weak spot, and sometimes when it gets hot it will not shift right. Even sometimes you'll get stuck in first gear, or you'll get stuck in limp mode, which is I think second or third gear. I don't remember exactly which one it was, and we'll show you how to remove it. Another problem could be solenoid. That's not so common but super easy to replace as well. So stay with us, we're gonna show you how to remove the conductor plate out of a valve body now. If you need the video how to remove the valve body, we'll have it on the channel guys. So now you can see right here, okay, let me turn light on. We're going to use T30, okay, T30 bit, and we're going to remove this bolt here, okay, that holds the solenoids. So now you grab this one, pull it out with the bolt. Okay, this one. Okay, so now if you need to remove solenoid only guys, you need to know which one it is, and you have a specific code for it. You just pull it up and that's a solenoid right here. So super easy to remove, super easy to replace. Okay, so make sure the one you pull out, that's how you put them back in, the same way. So I would recommend to just have them on a piece of paper with the same, you know, scheme like the valve body. Okay, two here now that need to go. Make sure they don't get contaminated. Okay, that's another one here, and now we have the two right here. So okay, we just install them there on that cardboard. Okay, so we know. Okay, and now guys, that will be, okay, that will be the conductor plate right here. So that's super common problem on those Mercedes guys. You can buy a new one for like 80-90 bucks on eBay. We recommend to get the one with the new transmission filter, do a transmission flush as well guys, since you already did so much work in the transmission. So if you this one is a 2000 Mercedes ML320, that's the number right here. Some vehicles differ, so make sure that you have the right number before you order one. Very important. Okay, make sure you don't contaminate the valve body. Okay, don't get anything inside, that could be catastrophic. So just be very careful. Don't do that on a windy day outside. It needs to be calm day. Okay, and that will be the whole video guys. We'll have a video how smoothly it shifts after that. So check out the channel guys, please subscribe, let's grow it together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.